Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can log out all of the devices on OneXBet. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your account. And now that you're here, you will just have to go to your click this profile icon right here, and then what you will have to do is you will look for account settings and just wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will just have to to look for log out on all devices, and what you will have to do is simply just click it and then confirm the action by entering your password or OTP if prompted, and then you will just have to wait for the confirmation that all sessions have been terminated. And by the way, you could also change your password so that you will be able to ensure added security. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.